General Knowledge in Arts GKA Objectives Episode 2 TutGhTV. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials. 1. Fine art is valued for its beauty rather than its A. Decoration, B. Styles, C. Suitability, D. Usefulness. And the answer is D. Usefulness. 2. Basic marketing strategies in art include A. Advertising, exhibition, and attractive packaging. B. Costing, pricing, and selling. C. Planning, organizing, and directing. D. Buying, selling, and making profits. And the answer is A. Advertising, exhibition, and attractive packaging. 3. The operation that gives a book its convex back and its concave foredge is termed A. Bending, B. Construction, C. Curving, D. Rounding. And the answer is D. Rounding. 4. Which of the following is a type of print? A. Collage, B. Fruitage, C. Montage, D. Splash. And the answer is B. Fruitage. 5. Which of the following pictures are produced without making preliminary sketches? A. Collage, B. Marbling, C. Portraits, D. Scenery. And the answer is B. Marbling. 6. The Cirripedo techniques involves the use of A. Clay, wax, and bronze, B. Cement, clay, and wax portraits, C. Wax, bronze, and wood, D. Bronze, wax, and ivory. And the answer is A. Clay, wax, and bronze. 7. The mastaba of ancient Egypt was made of A. Brick and iron, B. Wood and clay, C. Sand and stone, D. Stones and bricks. And the answer is stones and bricks. 8. Which of the following colors symbolizes prosperity? A. Blue, B. Green, C. Violet, and D. Yellow. And the answer is D. Yellow. 9. The caveman's paintings were mainly to A. Show his drawing skills, B. Facilitate his magic, C. Experiment with drawing media, D. Keep records of hunting. The answer is B. Facilitate his magic. 10. In which period did the Greeks study human forms to perfection? A. Archaic, B. Classical, C. Geometry, D. Hellenistic. And the answer is B. Classical. 11. Which of the following ethnic groups is found in Sierra Leone? A. Bali, B. Dongon, C. Kisi, D. Mendi. The answer is Mendi. 12. In perspective drawing, scale is interpreted as A. Balance, B. Contrast, C. Distance, and D. Nearness. The answer is C. Distance. 13. Which hue is common to green and orange? A. Blue, B. Red, C. Violet, D. Yellow. The answer is yellow. 14. The two characteristics of a line are A. Magnitude and direction, B. Direction and straightness, C. Thickness and magnitude, D. Quality and size. And the answer is A. Magnitude and direction. 15. Which of the following is usually built around armature? A. Bronze, B. Cement, C. Marble, D. Silver. And the answer is B. Cement. Thanks for watching TutGhTV tutorials at your doorstep. TutGhTV. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.